Hello everybody, Chris here, and in this video we're taking a quick look at Periodic Table, the mobile app by JQSoft. And when you boot up into the app, you pretty much have the base periodic table that you would expect if you were buying a physical copy for, say, a college chemistry class or something like that, where you have the letter symbols for the element name, the atomic mass, and the atomic number. But beyond that, and beyond having them categorized up here, which is pretty nice, you can actually click on each individual element to gain access to a tremendous amount more information. Probably more than I would ever use. But I'm sure if you are, say, a advanced chemistry student, then more of this stuff is actually relevant to you. And on the left, really cool, is that you can see all of the electrons basically orbiting around the core of the element within their individual shells. So it's a visual representation of what is also displayed in text over here, the number of electrons per shell. And I think that's just a really cool way to visualize each element. And oh my god, this one has way too many bloody electrons. Now that's the base of what you get for free, being able to have access to all of these elements in a pretty responsive application, where you can just click on each element and basically find a lot of information about each one. And that may be useful if you don't like carrying around a physical copy of the table all the time. But to note, up here in the top left in the hamburger menu, you also have the ability to gain access to a solubility chart or a molar mass calculator. These do involve upgrading to the Pro version, but just to note that they are in here if that's something that interests you. The Pro version of the application, I believe, is $4 to gain access to every feature of this application. But for what it is at a free version of a periodic table that presents you a lot of information and also animates the element with the electrons around it, I think it's a pretty cool, neat little app. And it's worth checking out. So if you're a chemistry student or for some reason you have another need for a periodic table, it's Periodic Table by JQSoft in the App Store. So thank you for watching. I've been Chris. If you found this useful, consider donating to my Patreon, and I'll see you in my future videos.